Hello and welcome to another Stellar Guitarist song tutorial. My name is Amber and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Over My Shoulder by Mike and the Mechanics. This is such a fun, feel-good song, so have your guitar ready and let's dive into the lesson. So for the basics of today's lesson, you're going to need to have your guitar in standard tuning, and we are going to need a capo on the first fret so that we are playing in the same key as the original. So the first chord that we're going to be needing today is an E minor 7 chord. Now there are many different ways that you can play an E minor 7. The most basic way would be to just place your first finger into the second fret on your A string. This would be the easiest E minor 7 chord and would work really well in the song if you are a complete beginner. Now, the other way that we can play an E minor 7 chord is by playing a normal E minor with our first and second fingers, and then we're going to be adding our pinky into the third fret on our B string. You can also play an E minor 7 chord with our ring finger in the third fret on the B string. It really depends on what you are most comfortable with. And you'll notice that going through the song, I'm going to be using a combination of those two different ways of playing it. And this all depends on which chord I was coming from and which chord I am going to be changing to. Now the next chord we need is an A major chord. And then we need a D major. We're also going to need a C major chord. We have a G major. We have an F major chord. Of course, we can play the bar chord here. However, I'm going to be playing an F major 7 over C chord. We need an A minor chord. And we're going to need a B flat, which is also technically played as a bar chord. However, I'm going to be playing this as an open chord. So all I'm going to be doing is placing my first finger into the first fret on the high E string and then creating my A major chord shape. And I'm just going to be strumming from the D string down. So in today's lesson, we are going to be looking at 3 sections in the song. We're going to start off by jumping into the intro, and this is going to consist of 3 chords. We have our E minor 7 chord. We have an A major going to our D major. Now the E minor 7 chord is going to get 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. The A is going to get 2 counts. 1, 2. And the D major is going to get 2 counts. 1, 2. Now the intro is going to be repeated twice. So let's just practice that now with just 1 down strum on each chord, just to get into the swing of things. Starting on that E minor 7, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4 to the A, to the D. Back to E minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, and D. So now that you have the chords from the intro under your fingers, it's time to explore the strumming pattern used in the song. Now just a pre-warning here, the strumming pattern is an intermediate strumming pattern. This means that it is going to be quite fast-paced as well as syncopated. So take your time with it and make sure you're practicing it slowly before trying to increase it to full speed. So when we are starting on that E minor 7 chord, the strumming pattern is going to start with 2 bass plucks. So you're going to pick the low E string twice for bass, bass, followed by a down. So we have bass, bass, down, and then the rest is going to be up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So the whole thing sounds like this. Bass, bass, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Bass, bass, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then when we change to the A and the D chord, they're going to share that entire strumming pattern with one small change. Instead of playing 2 bass strings on the first 2 beats, we're going to be just changing that to down strums. So it's going to be down, down, down on the A chord, and then the rest of the pattern will be on the D chord. Up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So the A to the D will sound like this. Down, 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 switch, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So if we put the whole thing together from the E minor 7 chord, it's going to sound like this. Bass, bass, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. One last time from the E minor 7. Bass, bass, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So the intro is going to be repeated twice with a small change on the repeat. So the first time you play it, it's going to sound just like that. Then when we go in for the second time round, it's going to start off the same. Down, 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 and then we're going to strum just the first strum of the D chord, which is an up strum, and then we're going to stop. Okay, so we're going to cut that D chord short. All right, so it's going to sound like this if I take it from the second repeat. And that's going to lead us really nicely into the verse. Hey you guys, I just wanted to remind you that I have 2 amazing guitar courses for you to check out. The first one is my beginner's guitar course, which is perfect for those of you just starting out on your journey and you're looking for a structured step-by-step program to get you going from guitar zero to guitar hero. I also have a Let's Level Up guitar course. This is for those of you who are intermediate players and maybe you're just looking for something that's going to elevate your playing and take you to the next level. The course involves bar chords, power chords, intermediate rhythms, as well as exploring Travis picking and fingerstyle picking. So if you want to check that out, click the link below this video. I'd love to welcome you into the course and I can't wait to help you on your guitar journey. Right, let's get back into the lesson. So the next section that we're going to look at is the verse, and this is really straightforward and simple because we're going to be using the same chords in the same order with the same strumming pattern that we've just learned from the intro. So for each verse, we're going to be playing that chord sequence for 4 rounds. So it's going to sound something like this, starting on the E minor 7 chord, a 1, 2, 3, looking back to the A chord to D, E minor 7. I can see the A chord in the D chord, E minor 7. I never dreamed A could be D, E minor 7. Never wanted the A to say the D chord. So if you are enjoying my lesson here today on YouTube, which I really hope you are, please could I ask you to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. This just allows YouTube to know that people are enjoying my lessons and it will show my lessons to more people so that we can grow our amazing Stellar community. So thanks so much for that. I really appreciate it. Let's get back into the lesson today. And the final section that we need to learn today is the bridge. So the bridge chords are going to be up on the screen. We have a C major chord to a G major, to our F chord, back to G. And that chord sequence gets repeated 3 times. And then the final chords we need are A minor, and then we need to go to that B flat chord. So in the bridge, our chord changes are going to be taking place a little bit quicker. And what I mean by this is that the C chord and the G are going to be sharing the strumming pattern, and the F and the G are going to be sharing a strumming pattern. So it's going to be very similar to what we were doing previously with the A to the D. So how the A was going down, 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 and then you switch to the D for the up, up, down, down, up, down, up. The same thing is going to be happening for the C to the G. So the C will get down, down, down. the G, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then the F chord, down, 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 back to the G for up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So if we try that 3 times in a row, it's going to sound something like this, starting on the C and C, to the G, F, G, C, G, F, G. One more time, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then we're going to change to the A minor chord, which is going to get 1 full round of the pattern. Down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then we're going to change to our B flat for 1 full round. Down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then we're going to do the B flat 1 more time, but we're also going to cut it short, like we did in the intro with the D. So the B flat will then sound like this. Down, 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 up. And we stop there. So if I play from the A minor, it's going to sound like this. B flat, down, 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 up. So those are the 3 most important sections that you needed to learn in order to play the song. And what we're going to be doing next is a play along. So have your guitar ready and join me in the next section and let's have some fun. Let's take it from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking back over my shoulder, I can see that look in your eyes. I never dreamed it could be over. I never wanted to say goodbye. Looking back over my shoulder with an aching deep in my heart. I wish we were starting over. Oh, instead of drifting so far apart. Everybody told me you were leaving. Funny, I should be the last to know. Baby, please tell me that I'm dreaming. I just never want to let you go. Looking back over my shoulder, I can see that look in your eyes, turning my heart over and over. I never wanted to say goodbye. I don't mind everybody laughing, but it's enough to make a grown man cry. 'Cause I can feel it slipping through my fingers. I don't even know the reason why. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, I know you're going to love the lesson being suggested to you on the screen. Until next week, I will see you in the next lesson. If you have any requests, then drop them down below in the comment section. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.